Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be a Rosegal try-on. Super excited for this one because I have some really good finds. So if you guys are new here, please subscribe, click that notification bell so you're always notified of every single upload. I upload a fashion video at least once a week, and like this video, and let's get to it. Okay, so this first one, this is a 4X. This is a poly spandex blend. It is a white shirt mixed in with some denim aspects. That's not what I'm trying to go for, but trim. Okay, so you've got the denim pockets. You also have the denim going down the sides. This is a button up. You also can change the sleeves to roll them up, which is my personal favorite. Like I said, this is a heavier fabric. It's a very heavy shirt. So this is definitely something that's going to be great for the cold. I was like dying in it. I was like, let me get these things up right now. But this is really cute. You can totally tie it at the waist. You can tuck this in. You can dress this up. You can dress this down. You can wear this as a layering piece. You can do a lot of things with something like this in your closet. So I definitely think that you need, and I did an Amazon Basics try on where I styled 5 basics 4 different ways. And I'll link that video down below, but one of the basics was like a crisp white shirt. And I mean, I wouldn't go with this as a basic, but this is a good basic piece to also add. And you can kind of see the ways that I styled a white shirt, which I personally just had so much fun with. So yeah, this one's really cute. It is a size of 4X, and I think it fit me really well. So I would definitely say true to size, or actually size up, because my true to size would be 3X. So yeah, size up 1 on this one. Okay, next is this poly spandex blend with a little bit of lace cami. It is a size 3X US 20. This is just really basic, really pretty. Again, this is something I think everyone needs in their closet. I love the lace on the strap. It's just so, it just adds that little bit of sexiness to something that's like super basic. These are perfect to have in your closet. Number one, you can totally wear this to bed if you wanted to. Put on some cute shorts or some cute, I don't know, pajama bottoms, and you've got a really cute outfit for bed. Or you can totally wear this up underneath a blazer, underneath a cardigan, underneath a sweater. You can do this so many different ways, and it's a really, really great layering piece. And I love to have these layering pieces in my closet too, where it's with the lace, so it adds a little bit of sexiness. I can totally wear this alone, or again, I can throw something over it, and I just love. Did I tell you the size? It's a 3X. So this one was definitely perfect. I'm definitely going to, it's perfect with the exception of the strap, which I'm definitely going to have to kind of sew if I can find my needle and thread, because your girl does not know how to really sew. But I could do something like this. But this is so cute that I'm like, yes, I have to like make the time to do that. And if I can't find it, I need to buy it. But yeah, this is a really good basic. And then I paired it with this plaid shirt right here. It is 100% cotton, size 4X, US 22. This was tight in the arm, but it was good. Like, I think that everyone needs a basic plaid in their closet for fall. You can do so many things with it, from, you know, wearing it open to buttoning it up, tucking it in, doing a French tuck, doing a side tuck, doing a knot, like wearing this around your waist. You could do so many things with a plaid shirt. You can wear it with leggings, you can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with shorts right now. Like, you just need a plaid shirt in your closet, and this is a really good one. It does not have any stretch considering the fact that it is cotton, but it is really good, and I love the color combo on this. And then of course I paired it with this, and it looked really cute. I really loved the combination of the two of these. And then of course I showed you the different ways in which it didn't want to tie around the waist. I would probably honestly size up for me on this one, so I would go up size 2, like 2 sizes on this, because of the fact that it was tight in the arms. And then when I went to tie it around my waist, I was like, this doesn't really tie around my waist that well. But you know, I mean, I think it looks really cute. It also would look really good with a white shirt up underneath it. So yeah, a plaid shirt is a must in your closet for this fall, for sure. Next is this gray shirt. This is also a poly spandex blend. It is a size 4X. And this one's cute. It's kind of a little too conservative for me. It's funny because I always talk about how, like, you know, with a wrap style shirt, I'm like, I need a little something something under there because I usually have my bra showing because, you know, my boobs aren't that big. So I usually need some help in that department where either I can have a little button right here or a little cami or something underneath. I didn't really like and care for the higher neckline. But if you have a job where you need to be really conservative, I just love the draping of this. You also can totally wear it banded and wear it longer, or you can kind of scrunch it up, and I showed it both ways where you kind of blouse it out. My only complaint about this shirt, like I said, is that I felt like this was just a little too high. If this was maybe cut into a V or just kind of cut a little bit lower, it would have been my perfect shirt, and I think I would have loved it. But because of the fact that it is so high cut, I just didn't like it. I think that with the whole draping, it just kind of threw all of this off, and it just kind of made it look eh. You know, that's just my personal opinion. If you like it, like I said, it is definitely a more conservative look. And it's not that I'm against conservative looking clothes or anything, but this one's just a little too conservative for me personally. It is long sleeve as well. It's nice and light, so if you get hot easily, this is going to be perfect for you even into the winter, especially if you live down south like I do. Would it be a Jill haul without an off-the-shoulder shirt? I don't think so. I want to say that these are making their way out, and I'm actually really sad about it because I love me a good off-the-shoulder shirt, sweater, sweatshirt. I think it's so sexy, and it just adds a little bit of something that's not like super basic. It's just, I love it. I love it. This fit really well. What size was this? I want to say it was a 5X. Did I say it was a poly spandex blend? It's very, very, very stretchy. And yes, it is a 5X. I don't know if it was a 5X on the website and I chose the 5X, because sometimes you'll choose like a 3X or a 4X, and then when you get it on the tag, it'll say something different. So I don't know. I'm assuming, but I will check and put it down below. But yeah, this is super, super cute, and it feels really good, and it's a little bit heavier. It's a little bit warmer. It's a poly spandex blend, but it almost has that like faux suede feel to it. So it's definitely a little bit of a warmer top. So I do like it. And of course, with all off the shoulder tops and sweaters, I feel like you can totally wear this on your shoulders as well. So if you didn't like the off the shoulder, you can wear it up as well. But yeah, this fit really well. It was very great, hit at a great length. You can dress this up, dress this down. You can wear jeans with it. You can wear dress pants with it. You can wear a skirt with it. Throw a blazer on top. You can throw a cardigan on top. You can do so many different things with it. Tuck it in, leave it untucked. Super cute, and I love great basics like this. Unfortunately, like I said, I think that the off the shoulder is making its way out. But just because it is, don't think you won't be seeing it from me, because you still will. This shirt right here is a two-piecer. It is a size 4XL. Okay, so here you have this really long tank top, razorback style. I like it. I'm kind of confused why they're together though, to be honest. This shirt is just, it's kind of basic. It's a black and white marbled with the buttons, which are functioning, and I showed you guys that in the try on portion. It was a great length. It's a nice and light shirt, so it's not too heavy, which is perfect for me. I just honestly preferred it, and I show you it without the tank. I really don't know what the point in this was, because I guess what I'm saying is that I did not prefer. Maybe if this was a spaghetti strap instead of having a thicker strap, I thought it maybe it would have looked better to me. But I personally liked this shirt all on its own, just like this. And I think it's a great basic. And again, this is something you can totally wear to bed if you wanted to, and pair it with some cute fleece pants and call it a day. So yeah, really cute, really basic. Just throw it on and head out the door. But like I said, I prefer it without this for sure. Okay, this has to be my favorite piece. Unfortunately, it does not fit me right now, but don't worry, it is okay. I have a pile, like legit a pile of clothes that I'm just waiting to get into. I legit have an entire wardrobe waiting for me to continue to lose weight and get into. And that's exactly what this is going to be for. This is corduroy, which I don't know, whatever your thoughts are on corduroy, it's your thoughts. I personally like it. I'm not a huge fan of corduroy pants, but man, I remember rocking the heck out of some black corduroy pants that were very wide legged that I used to wear all the dang time in high school. This is a size 4X. I love the silhouette of this jacket. It is just, it's so pretty. It's cropped. It has a nice way that it kind of comes in, so it's going to hug your curves. It doesn't have a collar, which I really like. I love the color. I love the buttons. I love the little tie going down the middle or the side, I guess, really like down the pocket basically. And then you also have this little tie right here, which was not going across my waist, but you can totally tie it, make your little thing so you can close it, and you can also adjust it. So you can make it tighter or looser to your preference. This has absolutely no stretch to it. Now, it felt great in the arms. It could have used a little bit more room, but my biggest complaint was obviously the way that this hit, and I wanted it to close a little bit more on me. So like I said, this is gonna go, and this is gonna wait on me, and hopefully by the end of this fall season, maybe beginning of winter, you will see me rocking the heck out of this, because this is so incredibly cute. I can see this paired with a some jeans and a pair of tall knee-high brown boots. That would look so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I cannot wait to wear it. I would definitely size up 2 on this if you want to get it, and I say snag it because it's probably not going to be there long. This is so cute. And last but not least, this is definitely my favorite out of everything, with the exception of the jacket I just showed you. So how cute is this? First of all, this shirt is so cute. You best believe you're gonna see me wearing this during the day too. Like, this is just so freaking cute, with the little lips and the little eyes and the lashes closed. The little eyes closed with the big old lashes. This is a size 4X. This is a poly spandex blend, so it's nice and stretchy. It's not the softest, but I still love it. I love the fact that it kind of goes off the shoulder just ever so slightly, and these pants are just so cute. They're kind of like a whitish gray with black lips, and then you have them go to the bottom, and they are not exactly like super skinny. They're kind of like a jogger style. They are just so cute. They definitely are a little see-through, so I mean, your preference. You can, you know, wear something nude. You can wear nude underwear, or you can just be like, to hell with it and just go on a bachelor night. But yeah, this is so cute, and it fit really well. I was really concerned about how these were gonna fit. When I put on the shirt, I was like, okay, the shirt fits good, but how are the pants gonna fit? And they fit really perfect. Like, there was no tightness. They were really comfortable. They are really comfortable. So I'm really excited about that. A lot of times I'll get pajama bottoms and they'll fit in the waist, and but they'll be too tight in the stomach and in like the crotch area and the upper thigh area. Or they'll fit in the thigh area and they won't fit too well in the waist, or they'll dip down the bottom. They won't fit in my butt. These are perfect. So I'm super excited. I think I'm the most excited about this for sure. And I'm definitely going to be ordering some more pajama sets. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Everything is going to be linked down below in the order in which I tried it on in and talked about it in. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Huge thank you to Rosegal for sponsoring this video. Love you guys so very much. Again, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before leaving, and click that notification bell, especially if you love fashion videos. I love you guys so much. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one.